Welcome to the Masterclass, Creating Powerful Presentations with AI Tools. In today's session, we will unlock how artificial intelligence can help you design stunning, effective presentations effortlessly. Let's begin. Introduction to AI in presentations. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we craft presentations. But what exactly is AI? Simply put, AI tools are designed to assist you in organizing, designing, and enhancing your slides, making your workflow smarter and more efficient. What is AI? AI simplifies your presentation process by automating key tasks like layout creation, content generation, and even data visualization. This means you save time, ensure consistency, and deliver high-quality, engaging presentations every time. Additionally, AI provides valuable data-driven insights, helping you make informed design decisions. Let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of AI: speed and efficiency. AI-powered tools like Beautiful.ai allow you to generate slides instantly, eliminating the need to start from scratch. They also help structure your content quickly, organizing information into clear sections with headlines. And with automated formatting, AI adjusts layout, spacing, and fonts, ensuring your slides look polished and consistent without manual tweaks. Benefit number 2 is Smart Design Assistance. AI tools come equipped with a variety of professionally designed templates, giving you a strong visual foundation to start with. But it doesn't stop there. AI also provides intelligent design recommendations. Whether it's suggesting the perfect color scheme, font pairings, or layout adjustments, AI ensures your presentation looks polished and engaging. And to top it off, AI automatically keeps your design consistent across every slide, so your presentation flows seamlessly from start to finish. Benefit number 3 focuses on data visualization. With the help of AI, you can easily create stunning charts and graphics using tools like PowerPoint Designer and others. AI doesn't just make charts, it analyzes your data and recommends the best visualization method to clearly communicate your message. And thanks to automated processing, you can simply input your data, and AI takes care of transforming it into clean, professional visual templates, saving you both time and effort. Next, AI assists with text and content optimization. It refines your language, corrects grammar, and ensures clarity, helping you deliver a message that's concise and impactful. By analyzing tone and readability, AI tools fine-tune your content to better engage your audience. Benefit 5 focuses on personalization and engagement, two critical factors for a memorable presentation. AI-powered tools offer interactive features, allowing you to engage your audience in real time with polls, quizzes, and live Q&A sessions. You can also easily customize content to fit the needs of specific audience segments, ensuring your message resonates with everyone in the room. And to keep things dynamic, AI provides smart suggestions, recommending relevant images, videos, and media elements that enhance engagement and hold your audience's attention from start to finish. AI also enhances collaboration by integrating seamlessly with cloud-based platforms. Multiple team members can work on the same presentation in real time, with AI ensuring that styles and formatting remain consistent. This not only improves efficiency, but also simplifies feedback and revisions. Benefit 7. Consistent branding, automated branding. Stay in line with brand guidelines. Lastly, AI-driven automation handles repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time. Whether it's aligning elements, adjusting visuals, or generating data charts, AI works behind the scenes to streamline your workflow. This allows you to focus on delivering your message with confidence. In summary, AI empowers you to create presentations faster, smarter, and more effectively. Thank you for joining this masterclass. Start incorporating AI tools today and elevate your presentation game to the next level.